มื้อนี้สิมาให้เบิ่งวิธีปลูกอันนั้นlemongrass. How to plant lemongrass. I'm gonna show you. I bought this from the market about. This is about $3. Too expensive now. I can't afford to buy anymore. I'm gonna go ahead, put water in here. I'm soap in there. Let it have the roots coming out. Okay. Just a little bit water like that. So I put in that. Okay. So the root coming out about 1 week later. All right. So let it be here. Let it be here for 1 week. They're gonna grow the root for you. Okay. All right. Here I have it. They grow the root for me, guys. I put that 1 week, 2 weeks. This is 2 weeks. Look at this. Oh my God, look at that. The roots grow up right now. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put in the dirt. I'm gonna show you how to plant lemongrass. Look at this. The root come up because the water there. I put the water just a little bit. This is 2 weeks. Very easy to grow lemongrass. Okay, let's go to plant this one in the pot. So that's how I plant it in the pot. Now, come on, come with me. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's just beautiful. Look at this, beautiful. Yep, all of them have a roots right now. Beautiful, guys. Okay, come on, let's go plant it in the pot. Okay, now because lemongrass is the herb, you know, you can plant this benefit in your home. It is every time you want it. You're always gonna have that just right there on your side, you know, so easy. This is how you do it. Okay, come on, let's go put in the pot. Okay, guys, this is my very secret. This is the vegetable when you eat, when you buy, you clean up, or this is the junk you don't want to just save this one. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you how to keep this vegetable to put in your pot soil. Okay, here my pot soil right here. You know, you want your soil have the vitamin. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead put the vegetable leftover in here to make a vitamin, make everything beautiful because they can eat natural vitamin. I'm gonna go ahead put this. Oh, this one right here. You know what? I plant something. I don't like they wanna be here. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead put this. The vegetable in here. Okay, this is a vitamin. Go ahead, guys. Don't throw anything away. If you pot pan, if you put in a pot planting your vegetable, you whatever you beautiful flower, you using this one, and just let them be in here, and then to get in here the vitamin, and then they're gonna get beautiful plant coming back for you. Don't have to put nothing else. Just like that. Okay, now. I'm gonna go ahead put my lemongrass in here, guys. Okay, very easy. I'm gonna go ahead put this right here. Go ahead dump it in here. Let them be like vitamin for them to eat it. So I'm gonna go ahead put my lemongrass in here. Okay. Now this is my lemongrass right here. I'm gonna go ahead pick up one. Just go ahead put in here. Okay, they're gonna grow for me to eat this. I got one hand, hold on. Set my camera down, so I'm gonna go ahead put the lemongrass like this, and always a little bit far away from each other, a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead get the second one. Man, I'm so happy. I am so happy. Look at the roots coming out. How you do it, right? Because this is good herb. You can make the tea with the leaf, you know, like fresh tea from your home. You got it. Okay, drop in here. Okay, gonna go ahead and put the glove on. Okay, I got the glove on right now, so go ahead when I put this, just push down, stay tight. That's what I'm gonna plant. Okay, and then turn to different side. Okay, make the like maybe a 2-3 inch dipper. Okay, and keep picking. Look at this, guys. So easy, simple. You go to the Asian market, you see lemongrass, you buy one, and just put in the water. But when you put the water, you have to cut the top off, cut off like this, so it go fast the new leaf. So just put in a pot like this. And then you have lemongrass in your own home. You know, sometimes emergency you need things to cook right now. You know, and you just got it. You know, you cook right now, and you don't have to go to market sometime. And when you go, you want to buy some, you buy, but if you don't have it, you got your lemongrass at home. Here, another one. See, okay, just like that, and let's put tight. Let's put tight in here, and I'm gonna do it over and over until I finish it. Yeah, when they have a baby, they're gonna have a whole lot. They can come out the gloop a lot of baby. Look like come out like a bamboo. And here come another one. There you go. Yes, I love it. I love plants, guys. So I love plants so much. So that's why I always share when I do this something like that. I always share. And then I'm gonna go ahead finish all of this. Oh yes, finish all of this. Oh wow, look at this. This is even more roots. This is only 3 weeks in the jar right here. Anybody can do it. Go ahead, go get a lemongrass in the Asian market, Chinese market, Korean market. You just go buy one bun and then come home and cut off the top halfway, and then you just put in the water. That's it. Okay, just plan that, you know, easy to exit inside the house. You can have it all every time you need that. Here come another one. Oh yes, beautiful. Simple as that, guys. Okay, very simple. Here, put that, stay tight, and I can put some more in here. A lot more I can be here. Can be a lot more here. Just go ahead, put my finger, just dip out, dipping. Come another one, dipping, just be in here. Just like I say, remember, don't throw away the junk vegetable when you buy. You know, you clean up, you save some, put in the pot. That can be like vitamin. Here come another one. Oh my god, that's crazy. I love it. It's 2-3 inches dipping down, and put the cover just like that. Okay, and keep going. I have another one again. Okay, keep going. Dip the bottom about 3 inches all the way, and I'm gonna go ahead and do it until I finish. And this one, look at the roots. Keep going all the way to the bottom. All the way here. You can eat the leaf, make the tea smell so good. This is helping you a lot of way. Even you want to know what benefit of lemongrass, you can Google and then ask them, and they will tell you what's good for. This is another one. They already want to grow already have the leaf and grow up already. So easy to plant lemongrass, guys. But you have to know to let them grow the root first before you put in the dirt. Just like that. Okay, I got 2 more to go right here. Oh yes. And I got 1 more, just a little bit tiny 1 more. I think I have room this side. Got the room over here, so let them be over here. Oh yes, look at this. Let me change the color. But I am left hand. I tried to use right hand. I'm not strong enough. I am left hand, guys. Okay. I put the right hand. Left hand. Yes, I am left hand. So okay, everything in now. See that? How simple is that? Everything in. Exciting right now. I can't wait to see them stay strong and grow beautiful. I'm excited. Yeah, just like that. Okay, I love plant, guys. Stay home, if we have nothing to do, just try to create your plant just like that, especially lemongrass. How beautiful is it look? How beautiful is it look? Oh my god, I love it. In love with this. Yeah, right there, done. I'm gonna go ahead and put the water. Let the water cover. Make them have a moist. At night they're happy and they grow. So every time you need, right there on your side. You already have some. If you really want to eat the head, you can pull up the head and they grow some more. The more you pick, the more they grow. Remember that. This is very easy. Now, my lemongrass in the pot. Just like that. Okay, beautiful, right? Alright. Okay, how beautiful is that? Now, I'm gonna put inside the house at least 1 or 2 weeks until they're strong. The root getting to the dirt strong, I'm gonna put in a 2 week, 3 week, whatever I feel. And after that, I can put it outside. Now I'm gonna go hit water. Make them happy. Water. Okay. So that's what you do, Go to Asian market, get some, and then cut off half and dip in the water. And 3 weeks later, they will grow the root. When they grow the root for you, and go ahead and put in the dirt. That's how you plant in the pot, just like that. If you have your house, you got the land, you always can put on your land, okay? But I don't know if they go back next year, but you have to try. You want to know that, You have to try first. If you don't try, you don't know. I don't have land, guy. I live in a small little house, so I pile up my plant in my house. It's beautiful. Look at this. Oh my God. Go ahead, try to do it, guy. They already grow. They already grow the leaf in the bucket. See, they already grow for me already, but the roots not in the dirt yet. Right now, they're going to. Okay. Alright, guys. If you love this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and I just show you how to do it. Okay. You can just, if the leaf grow up beautiful, you can just cut the leaf right here and use it. Put in the soup. Make a tea, anything like that. Okay, guys, this is leaf. You can eat that. Okay. All right. And thank you for watching, guys. I will have come up more new video. I'm gonna show with you the new video. Please subscribe to see new video. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.